Stalker. I love it.
여행자.
Oh yeah, you got it now.
Master of the stalker dance now. All right. Well, we don't have that much time.
No.
I
We
know.
need a 2-hour special for
I
you
thought this
kids.
was
I know.
all-night special.
All night? You want to go all night?
No, I gotta go. I gotta go.
All right. Well, so I kind of made this quiz just to have fun. And then whoever wins is going to get that.
Oh, what is
Which
this?
is
What
this.
is that?
What is it?
It is a
cat?
catch-bee clock.
Oh.
And it can help you catch like mogies and stuff. Like
mosquitoes?
Mosquitoes?
Yeah, and then on the ears,
Mosquito.
왜 다 영어하다가 있어? 모기.
Why are you speaking English?
and then on the ears, there's like fragrance drops that you can put on the ears, and then it's like a 방향제.
Repellent?
It's like a fragrance.
Mosquito repellent?
Yeah.
It's a mosquito repellent.
Alarm clock.
Okay, cool.
Wow, I normally don't speak Konglish, but because you guys are like keep going back and forth,
You're rubbing off on us.
it's like
No,
okay.
no, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
All right, well, so we're gonna play
Yes.
you guys some K-pop songs.
K-pop
And you have to guess the song title and the name of
빨리
the singer.
맞춰요.
빨리빨리 맞추셔야 돼요.
네.
노래가
개인전이죠?
개인전입니다. It's every man for themselves.
Single play.
So you raise your hand, say your name, and tell me the artist and the song title.
Okay. My
노래
name.
제목 그리고 아티스트 이름.
Okay.
저 이제부터 저희 같이 진행할래요? 너무 쉽다. 한 명이 더 지금 왜 이렇게 쉽냐?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, you guys, man, it's so good to have someone like.
Maybe I could stop by sometime.
Yeah, thank you. All right, well, are we ready with the song tracks? Are we good? Okay. All right, let's play. Hun. 누구?
Twice. 샤샤샤샤샤.
Twice. Cheer up.
맞습니다.
Cheer up, baby.
All right, well, feeling nice today.
Shut up, boy.
We have jellies.
Jelly.
I've been looking at those ever since I came in the room.
Eyeballing those.
Yeah.
There we go. 자, 주지한테 전달해 주세요. 자, 그러면 주은한테 1 point. 다음 노래. Next song.
Kevin! Big Bang it! Bang, bang,
Yeah.
bang! Bang, bang!
Bang,
bang.
그럼 바로 다음 노래 갑니다. Next song, please.
Kevin!
수연.
이건 모르겠어.
수연.
핑클의 약속해줘.
땡.
뭐지?
수연. 핑클의 널 사랑해.
Eli.
핑클의 사랑해줘.
No, 땡.
뭐지? 나 이거
아는데.
제목이 뭐지?
다시 한번 들어볼까요?
네.
다시 한번 들을게요. 수연.
핑클의 언제까지 내 맘에.
아닙니다.
훈.
훈.
핑클의 약속.
Forever.
영원히.
영원.
핑클의 영원히.
Eli.
핑클의 영원히 약속해.
아니,
핑클의 영원한 사랑.
맞습니다.
아 이게 자꾸 약속해줘밖에 기억이 안 나.
Alright, next song.
Promise you.
엑소 으르렁.
오케이.
So easy.
자, 다음 노래 갑니다.
Take my jellies.
뭐야? 이거
훈 신라의 달밤 아니
신해철 선생님의
이 세상에 네네네네네
Eli.
우리 그거 했잖아 이거.
쇼.
아니에요?
아티스트 맞습니다.
수연.
Artist right.
고 신해철 선생님의
To you.
너를 위해서.
너에게
No. To you.
to you
To that person.
그대에게
맞습니다. 다음 노래 주세요.
버스걸 벚꽃 엔딩.
예. 바로 다음 노래 주세요.
뭐야 이거?
수.
뭐지? 기억이 안 나.
시간이 별로 없습니다. 다음 노래 갈까요? 다음 노래 갈게요.
준. Some. 정기고 and 소유.
오케이. 자, 마지막 노래. Oh my god.
나 소름 돋았어.
He's up.
나담 걸렸어.
유키스 토니 스타크 유키스 아이언맨 토니 스타크
토니 스타크. 자, 제가 이제 그 포인트를 다 정리했는데 I tallied up the points and the winner is 막내 준.
Congratulations.
The real winner is Tony Stalker.
Tony Stark.
토니.
All right, you know that was like the last thing that we get to do on the show.
Okay.
자, 이제 인사를 할 시간이
벌써요?
벌써 됐습니다.
So fast.
Sound K 재밌죠?
Yeah.
Sound K is so fun.
I literally like made some abs today.
We laughed a lot. My throat hurts so much from cackling.
I made one ab.
Be careful.
All right. Well, let us know what your future plans are for if you guys have anything to say to your fans. We have a bunch of people listening right now. So anyone gonna 마지막으로 하고 싶은 말이 있는?
All right, well, we're gonna continue our promotions for Stalker, and we hope you all keep supporting that. And we're just thankful for everyone that waited this whole time, a year and a half, for us to come back. And we just want to say thank you guys so much, and we'll try our best to make all of you guys happy and proud. And please keep supporting Sound K.
Yes.
Aw, thanks. All right, guys.
Call us back sometime.
Yes, for sure. All right, guys, it's actually time to say goodbye.
No.
So I have to give you guys the answer to tonight's quiz, which is Eric Nam. Number 3, Eric Nam. Make sure to check out Sound K's homepage to see who the winner was. And the last song of Sound K, we're going to listen to another UKISS song.
What is it?
Oh.
When I close my eyes. Same time, same place, every day, as not out. Bye, guys. Thanks for coming.
Peace.